sweat to come to this day. It's been a long journey, it's been a struggle, but today we are having a serious discussion on a matter of great importance. Paul, please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Ezilo, that's how we pronounce it back in Assoc. Dr. Ezilo, is it? Am I doing that right?
Yes.
Yes, Dr. Ezilo. Believe it or not, I used to spend my summer holidays in their house in the 70s. Now, we're going to present this special plaque to Mr. Paul Nwozo. I'll read out and you do the presentation. Presented to Mr. Paul Nwozo, President of Enugu State Association, Washington, D.C., in recognition of your dedication, commitment, and support in preventing domestic violence in Enugu State, Nigeria, 2014, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm just a witness to say that he merited this creditably. He's a leader, and this is giving honor to whom honor is due. And I want to also thank him especially for this invitation and then hospitality he and his wife have shown to me throughout my stay. Congratulations. We have a leader in him and a leader in both of them. Thank you.
Never. Now we have Chris covering this thing. Chris Egwim, gentlemen. Chris Egwim. We also have range photography. If you want to take any photograph, you've been a wonderful audience by accident, error, commission, omission, by as commission and assignment here is bias. Thank you very much. And vote of thanks, right? Please forgive me. My very good friend, a man who has remained the same, he actually looks better in spirit than he looks in person. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who has amplified what we're here for today, using his social media of every kind and bringing it to the forefront. Harry, we thank you for all you have done. You have been timelessly timeless. Continue to do what you do. We appreciate it. Thank you for his vote of thanks.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you. I want to thank everyone for coming, everybody on the high table, Chairman Paul, Enugu State Association, all the wonderful wives, everybody that came. Thank you so much for coming. Friends, family, visitors, Dr. Ezilo that traveled all the way from Nigeria, Dr. Chief Ifesinachi that came all the way from California, people that travel far and wide. Thank you very, very much for coming. Thank you to the vendors, Arik Air, Vomos, Traveling Chicks. Thank you, for supporting this event. This is unusual for men, Igbo men especially, to stand up against domestic violence. It has not been done before. As far as I know, this type of thing has never happened before. So what we're trying to do is start off something, hopefully it will become a trend, just like the medical missions. Hopefully it will become a trend. We need to care more about our women. So hopefully other people, other associations, Anambra, and Abia, everybody hopefully will follow suit and start doing, looking out for our women, caring for our women, and doing things to support our women. That's what this event is about. So the fact that you guys, everybody is here, you guys have contributed to help us, give back to, to the shelter in Enugu. We're going to go to Enugu this year. We're going to take the money that you guys have donated here. We're going to give it to them face to face and help those women. Those are our sisters, our mothers, our aunts. So that's what this is about. Let's keep spread the word and let's keep fighting against domestic violence. Thank you very much. Everybody, joining us is drive safely.